I think it's very important for anyone who's involved in any project to do research before you actually get into the project.
There's no place in society or in the United States or in the world that allows for people to be curious about things and get paid for it, or at least have the opportunity to do this kinds of research.
Universities are the ideal place to do research. You can use the university community, particularly the students, the graduate students, the undergraduate students, to build your team. So a really productive team isn't a person of one. It's a group.
Each one of us working together to understand the significance of a challenge that's placed in front of us. We work together within a collaborative environment to dig deep into these issues and to ask questions that haven't been asked before.
What are people's needs? What are some of the problems in the world right now? What kinds of solutions would be successful? What's the market like? What are some possible technologies?
Algae research is, I think, very critical today because our reliance on fossil fuels is not sustainable. So we have to come up with new and innovative solutions to our energy problems and also to our food and feed problems.
With some more research, this project could be put into wide-scale use for law enforcement or emergency response.
For the work that I do and the research, we can understand what happens to mammals and ancestors, and we could apply that to today and to the future.
Trying to make the transportation system more efficient, more green, more sustainable, so future generations of society can experience the same kinds of lifestyle that we enjoy today.
Where I think AME is excelling in research is that they're really taking a more creative outlook on the problems. AME is really looking to find a completely new perspective on how that rehab is going to be administered to the patients, and I think that's really exciting.
The goal of this project wasn't just to help me, it was to help other low vision students, and so there's many more across the United States and beyond, and so the only way to get this in their hands is to commercialize or productize it.
Research should be curiosity-driven. Even if we don't know where the end results may lead, there is serendipity in science that allows for discoveries to be made that no one even had a mind about a decade or 50 years before.